മത്സര പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് കൂടെ. റൂട്ടേഴ്സ് കാലിക്കറ്റ്. 7th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ബേസിക് സയൻസ് ചാപ്റ്റർ 3 ദ വേൾഡ് ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി. 1. Who is known as the father of electricity? Answer: Michael Faraday. 2. Who coined the term electricity? Answer: William Gilbert. 3. In which substance the phenomenon of electric charge was discovered first? Answer: amber. 4. What is a battery? Answer: a battery is an arrangement made by connecting more than one cell into a single unit. 5. What is the energy conversion that takes place in cells? Answer: chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. 6. What are examples of rechargeable cells? Answer: mobile battery, vehicle battery, emergency lamp battery, etc. 7. Name some devices in which non-rechargeable cells are used. Answer: watch, clock, remote, toys. 6. Which cells are used to produce electricity above a certain voltage? Answer: lead storage cell. 9. Which cell is used in vehicles and inverter? Answer: lead storage cell. 10. Lead storage cells are rechargeable. 10. What is the full form of LED? Answer: light emitting diode. 11. Which cell is used in mobile phones? Answer: lithium ion cell. 12. Which bulb is used in emergency lamp? Answer: LED bulb. 13. What is the full form of CFL? Answer: compact fluorescent lamp. 14. What is the name given to a system in which multiple LED bulbs are arranged in a strip? Answer: LED module. 15. What is an electric circuit? Answer: an electric circuit is an arrangement that passes electricity from an electric source to a device. A circuit is a closed one if it is complete. If the circuit is not complete, it is an open circuit. Electric devices can only work in closed circuit. 16. The device which is used to make an electric circuit open or closed when required. Answer: switch. 17. What are conductors? Answer: conductors are the substances that allow electricity to pass through them. Examples of electrical conductors are iron, gold, silver, copper, steel, graphite, and water. Which metal is known to be the best conductor of electricity? Answer: silver. 19. What is the name given to materials that do not conduct electricity? Answer: insulators. Examples of insulators are wooden block, paper, plastic, and cloth. 20. What is the name given to materials that conduct electricity partially? Answer: semiconductors. Examples of semiconductors are germanium and silicon. 21. Which metal is in liquid state? Answer: mercury. How many volts is the electricity used for household purposes? Answer: 230 volts. 23. What is the energy change in a battery when it is connected to an emergency lamp? Answer: chemical energy changes first into electrical energy and then into light energy. 24. What is the energy change taking place in the generator? Answer: chemical energy is first converted into mechanical energy and then into electrical energy. 25. Where does the power to operate artificial satellites come from? Answer: from the solar panel. 26. Which type of power plants produce most of the electricity in India? Answer: thermal power plants. 27. Where is India's first nuclear power plant situated? Answer: Tarapur, Maharashtra. 28. Which Indian state produces more electricity from wind? Answer: Tamil Nadu. 29. Which is the biggest hydroelectric project in Kerala? Answer Idukki project. 30. Which is the first thermal power station in Kerala? Answer Brahmapuram, Ernakulam district.
കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.